Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. There we go. So settings, and in here we're looking for the option called storage. You want to select your SD card and then choose format. This will give you a brief message letting you know that formatting your SD card will erase all data that is stored on that card. So if you have anything on it that you don't want to actually get rid of, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, like the message says, this data will be completely deleted and this cannot be undone. Now, with that being said, assuming you have made a copy of it or you just simply don't want to, you can proceed further by selecting Erase and Format. This will automatically jump into this process, which only takes a couple of seconds, and as you can see, it's already finished. So let's click on Done, and that's it. The card is now formatted and ready to be used once again. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.